It's almost time to hit the bed. It's been a great day. Hello guys, it's Kirigami here, back with my 65th log, and my room is looking great today. I'm quite happy with it. Look, yeah. So today was very interesting. I think I made a vlog in the morning. I don't remember. Yeah, I did make a vlog in the morning. Uh, After that, let's just continue. It's like kind of continuing. Now, after that, I went to the school. Now, I went to the school and everything was normal in the beginning, nothing too special. We had a zero period and we are studying a very great chapter in English. It's called On the Face of It. I don't remember the name of the writer, but it's a great chapter. We have completed it. So hey look, that's my feedback. Okay, after completing the chapter, I yeah, not completing the chapter. After completing the zero period and the first period, we got our accountancy period, which was pretty cool because now it's fun to be able to know and properly ask questions which I've been ignoring for a while. I was not able to ask any question from our accountancy teacher, and she gave me the answer and totally corrected me, and yeah, that's amazing. The third period was commercial art. Commercial art is basically history of art, and this is something which I adore a lot. I love to study history, and that's what we did. We studied about Deccan School of Art, in which there are many paintings, night dancers. Okay, not dancer. I don't remember the name of painting right now. Let me try to recall. There were some scriptures. I don't actually remember, so I shouldn't say anything. But it was a good chapter. Need to revive it now, since I'm not able to recall things. Apart from that, I after that fourth period. No, yeah, fourth period. It was business studies. We didn't we didn't do anything much. I kind of sometimes it was a gag. We started a new chapter though, and there were frequent gags and all. It was alright. Uh, then interval nothing special. Fifth period, economics. We started a new chapter. It's called government budget. We were answering questions, and tomorrow we'll be getting our test copy. So yeah, pretty cool, huh? Mm, at fifth period, sixth period we had music. Uh, it was alright. We studied. After music, it was seventh period accountancy again. I asked some of my doubt and she cleared it, which was nice. So after that, English period. This is the period which I have been waiting for. Now in this period, we completed a chapter on the face of it, and at the end of the chapter, one of the main protagonists. I won't say he's the protagonist. He's the protagonist. Okay, he died. Mm. And the other one observed his death, and yeah. So basically, he came back, and he came back because of the first protagonist who died. So we were asked a question about what course of action will this second protagonist take after that of the first protagonist. So I simply answered. There were many answers, like he will run away, he will do things, he will be visiting this place again and again, he will become hopeful, he will have his ego, etc. But I gave an answer that he will continue the will of the person who died and will keep on grooming the guard in which the first person who died, his name is Lamb, by the way, he'll be grooming his garden, and basically he's continuing his will of fire. Now, answering that was not a good idea now, I think, because since I answered the question uh, and nobody listened to it, so our English teacher, who's our class teacher too, she asked me to come on the podium and uh, speak it loud in front of the whole class. And I was like, it's useless, there's no point in speaking something which no one's going to listen or take serious. So I just spoke out just few words, and my legs were trembling, which is weird. I don't usually get scared in public speaking, but yeah, there were less people, and okay, fine, let's be. So I I just flinched to my feet. No one really. Everyone clapped, and that was the worst part. Everyone clapped, and I was like, "No, don't clap, man. You didn't even listen to what I said. So why the hell are you clapping?" And even if you listen to what I said, just listen to it. Just concentrate on what you listen. Don't clap. Clapping makes me like my legs simply start trembling, and I'm looking down on looking down. It was it was a weird experience. So yeah, that was for my school day. I came back home after that. After coming home, mm, okay, let me add a small detail too. Our class topper, she asked me to stop, and we talked about a little about economics and how what she taught us, what our teacher taught us. Yeah, that's basically it. Then I came back home. I overslept again. This has been happening for a while. I need to do something about it, really. So I came back home. I slept. I was supposed to wake up at 2:30, but I woke up at 3:30. Around 3:30, I think not 3:30, 3:10 or 3:20. I woke up late, and then yeah, had to reschedule everything, and then I rescheduled, started studying, completed my homework, went out with my father to for shopping. I asked my father about why does there was a weird question I asked. I don't think so it's very appropriate for me to even speak out that question in front of my huge audience. Okay, that was not funny. Okay, I just yeah, that's what I did. I asked him a weird question. He gave me a weird answer, and asked me whether this thing come in examination or not. And then I was like, no, it doesn't come in examination, but still, knowledge is knowledge. Uh, okay, I don't think so. He liked my asking that question. So yeah, perhaps he didn't mind. He tried to answer that, but I don't think so. I got the proper answer. Anyways, we went to the shopping. We went for shopping. We bought things. Let me try to remember the amount of money which was used. It was 903 rupees. 902 rupees. Yeah. My father gave him 2 rupees and he returned me 100 rupees. Yeah, anyways, uh, good memory, I know. Okay. After that, I came back home. I studied again. I wanted to study a lot today. I had plans. I I studied and yeah, I completed. Basically, I was able to complete almost everything which I wanted. So yeah, now it's 11:03. I'll be reading Murakami, South of the Border, West of the Sun, and then I'll sleep listening to an audiobook. So yeah, today's lesson: public speaking sucks when your audience are not really attentive. And you tremble when you know no one's going to listen to you properly. So yeah, uh, I guess it was an interesting day, something unique, uh, and I was able to get back. Schedule अच्छा था आज का, आज मज़ा आया. I wrote in my diary too after a period of 3 months. which I'm really proud about it, happy about. Anything else which I forgot to mention? No, I'm having kidney infection right now to this period, and yeah, I just mentioned it. It's nothing. It's not a big deal, but still, I just wanted to remember that I had a kidney infection during this period of time. So yeah, that's basically it. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a great day. Peace.